So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you have to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run the scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on D on your keyboard. Now you're going to find DHCP Client. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to come back into CMD. Now once we're here, you're going to type in NETSH /INT IP resets and click on enter. And now you're going to type in NETSH INT TCP resets and click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.